Here's a video on a brand new Porsche Cayenne. And you can see that all the panels are quite swirled up. This is from the pre-delivery wash from the dealers. They pretty much wash it quickly so they can give it to the customer, but they don't really put too much care into it. I'll show you another panel. All the scuff marks they leave behind. And also you can see compound left behind on the plastic trims. We've done paint correction and paint protection on the Porsche Cayenne. We're just doing a demonstration on the paint now. There's actually no scratches or swirls. It's a bit hard to see on camera, but the car is extremely reflective. And on the area that we were showing with all the scuff marks, pretty much flawless now. So this car is now protected. It's going to be extremely easy to wash. And for a new car, that's what you want. Water will run off and washing time will be decreased by a lot. So if you ever need a car detailed or protected, please let us know.